the wig, like it was kind of like scrunched, I guess, because the lace, like, because it was too big for my head. And I know you guys seen that I had to cut on this side again because it was too long. It was too big on that side, so I had to cut it again. And now what I did was the straps, the adjustable straps that's in the back, I took those out and I tied them. I tied them in the back to make it a little bit tighter. So that's a little hack that you can do if your wig is too big for your head. If it's too big for your head, get those adjustable straps, pull them out, and tie it in a knot until the you know, the scrunch part goes away.